So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Gemini for trading chart analysis in Tradingview. Firstly, to prevent Gemini from giving you a generic or overly cautious response, you need to assign it a specific role and demand a structured breakdown. Copy and paste the text below, which is a master prompt. To get the most accurate analysis, you need to ensure Gemini can clearly see the data you are referencing. Just use Tradingview's built-in camera on the top right corner to take a snapshot and download the image. Ensure the time frames and price scales on the axis are clearly visible in the shot. Now open a new chat in Gemini. Click the plus button or image and upload icon next to the chat box and attach your Tradingview screenshot. Now paste the master prompt as we said into the text box. Now Gemini will break down the chart step by step. If it misses a specific zone, guide it. You can reply, look closely at price action around the 150 level from 2 weeks ago. Does that look like a double bottom for you? Just a pro tip, do not rely on AI to take blind trades. Use Gemini as a second set of eyes to catch support or resistance levels you might have missed, or to check your own bias before entering a position. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.